Ever wonder why Unity gives you both tags and layers? They might look like simple labels, but they actually run your game's logic. One handles how your code finds objects, while the other dictates how your engine interacts with them. Let's look at how to use them effectively so you can stop the bugs before they start. First, let's talk tags. These are your labels. They answer the question, what is this object? You'll mainly use these in code to identify things in your scene. For example, in this simple coin collection script, we aren't checking for a name, we're checking if the object we hit has the player tag. It's the simplest way to tell your code, yes, this is the thing I want to find. Layers are completely different. If tags are about what an object is, layers are about how it behaves with Unity systems, like physics and cameras. This is where layers really matter. Instead of writing code to ignore collisions, we use the collision matrix. Here, I can tell my enemies' projectiles to pass right through other enemies, but still hit the player. Layers also control what your cameras see using culling masks. Notice this minimap? It's using a specific layer to only show the terrain and player icons, while hiding the clutter from main view. When you're raycasting, like in this FPS setup, layers make your game faster. Instead of hitting everything and checking tags, we use a layer mask to tell the ray to only detect enemies and ignoring everything else. Here's the rule to remember. Use tags to identify who an object is. Use layers to control how it interacts with the world. If this helped you, drop a like and comment what Unity topic you want to see next. We've got more beginner-friendly guides on the channel to help you build your game the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.